Okay guys, welcome to this handling data, charts, graph and statistics, 11 quick questions, and this is aimed at predominantly GCSE foundation, but bits of it or all of it may also be appropriate for higher tier as well. It's also appropriate for Key Stage 3 pupils, Key Stage 3 students, okay, functional skills level 1, level 2 and level 3, and bits of it may also be appropriate for Key Stage 2 maths, so students doing the SATs reasoning papers, for next year's SAT, okay, so Key Stage 2 as well, okay, and also, appropriate, for AQA Edexcel and OCR, okay, and all the other examples for GCSE math, okay, and this also may be good recap for students doing A-level maths in September. Question number 1, amount of time spent on vigorous activity in minutes. So a purely made up set of results is shown. How many people spent more than 1 hour, okay, on an activity? Is it A 10, B 20, C 30 or D 70? Well, an hour is equal to 60 minutes, so 60 minutes or more. So I'm looking at this quadrant and this quadrant. That's equal to 20, reading it off left. That's equal to 10. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So it's going to be option C, guys. Okay. Question number 2. I've got some bits of data. A quick survey of the car park gave these car colours. Which of these statements is correct? Okay. The mode is 1. B. The mode of the cars are silver. C. The modal colour is silver. D. The most yellow is the least popular colour. Okay, so looking at this actually, so this is true. Okay, the modal colour is silver, because silver appears the most. Okay, now this is also true. Yellow is the least. Oh no, hang on a second. No, it's not. Sorry. So you could say that most of the cars, are silver, so that's also true. Okay, so mode means most occurring, most frequent, okay, data that occurs, okay. So there are 4 silver cars, okay. The mode usually, that represents a number, but in this context, it refers to the colour of the cars, if that makes sense. Okay, question number 3, basking in the sun, 5 geese, 3 ducks, 2 swans and 10 pigeons. Which is the correct pie chart? Okay, so pigeons appears the most, so it can't be that one. Okay, so pigeons is in black. Okay, so 10, okay, 10, 15, 18, 20, so it'll be this option here, okay, without actually checking it, so it's roughly going to be that, okay. Because a quarter of them will be geese, so 5 out of 20 is equal to a quarter. That represents 10. Okay, that represents 3, and that represents 2, and they all add up to 20. Okay, remember angles in a pie chart add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so that is a very, very common here. Like, just see a paper 2, paper 3 exam style question. Is it A this, B this, C this? So the answer is going to be D, guys. It'll be option D. Question number 4, which type of chart would be most often used to present the proportion of votes for each votes cast for each bar chart? B line graph, C bar chart, D scatter graph. So for me, for often used, so which type of chart would be most often used to present the proportion of votes? So that would be a bar chart here. A bar chart and or a line graph, I'd say, so one of these actually, I'd say one of these. A pie chart, not really, okay, and the scatter graph, not really, okay, but possibly, yes, like a line graph, may also, okay, for that, okay. Okay, question number 5, at approximately what time did the temperature rise above 0? So rise above 0, that'll be after 8 o'clock in the morning, okay. So it rose above 0, after 8 o'clock in the morning, so above 8 o'clock in the morning. Question number 6, So the ages of people in the photograph in years are as follows. What is the median age? So the median is where you cross off from either side. Okay, so you keep crossing until you reach the one in the middle. That will be 11. So 11 is our median. Okay, again, that is another very common question in GCSE papers for the Edexcel Foundation, AQA and OCR papers. Okay, especially for Edexcel. Okay, I've seen that appear time and time again. Next question, so looking at the range, question number 7. The range is the biggest number, take away the smallest number. So 60 subtract 1 is going to be 59. Okay, 60 subtract 1 is going to equal to 59. Okay, question number 5. 5 packets of banana were found to contain this. What is the mean number? Is it A4, B5, or 6, C, 6, or D7? So you add up all the numbers and then divide it by the total frequency. So divide it by 5. 4 plus 5 is going to be 9. 9 plus 12 is going to be 21. That'll be 28 if I'm not actually mistaken, but yeah, we'll double check that. So the answer here is going to be a decimal, so the answer is going to be 5.6. See, that'll be 5 3/5. Okay, but let's double check that here just to make sure. So 4 plus 5 here is going to equal to 9. 9 plus 12 is 21 plus 7 years, so it's going to be 5.7. Okay, so next one, what is the mode? So the mode is the most occurring, so the most frequent. That will be 7 because 7 appears 3 times in the list here of those 6 apples. Okay, question number 10. What is the mean of these 4 numbers? Okay, is it A3, B3/5, C1, D5? So add up all the 4 numbers and then divide it by 4. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the 4 is going to be 6. 6 plus 6 is going to be 12. 12 divided by 4, 12 quarters is going to equal to the number 3. That's going to be option number A. Question number 11. Sorry, if it's not very clear here. The owner of a barber shop. The owner of a barber shop makes a tally of the number of client appointments for each barber. How many more appointments does Pete have than James? So Pete has 5, 5, and 1. So Pete has a total of 11. James has a total of 5, 6, 7, 8. So he has 3 more. Okay, because I'll do 11 subtract 8. 11 take away 8 is equal to 3, guys. Is it A1, B2, C3, D4? So the answer is going to be option C. Okay, right, guys, answers for these. Okay, yeah, so you can check your answers and obviously mark it along. So that's the first one. So that's going to be the answer there. Okay, B is also true. Yeah, most of the cars are silver. Okay, in that car park based on our data. Question number 3 is it A, B, C, or D? That's going to be D. Okay. Okay, so I actually made like a mistake here. So it's a proportion, guys. It should be pie chart, not bar chart. Sorry, that is actually my bad. Actually, I apologise. Okay, that's the answer of question number 5. Okay, sorry, I'm going to be quickly, guys, but yeah, I'm trying to obviously treat it as like a revision video. Remember, range is biggest take smallest, biggest subtract smallest. Okay, mean it's going to be that 7, 3. Okay, last question, and we get the answer of 3. Okay, you work out the difference between Pete and John's. Okay, so that's what I call you like a tally chart. Okay, how did you score? So let me know in the comments, guys, here what you got. But that is the end of today's video. So hopefully you found it useful. Okay, sorry that I actually made a mistake. So my score technically is actually 10 out of 11. Okay, which is still pretty good actually. Yeah. Okay, remember that although yes, I am like human actually, and I do obviously make like mistakes actually myself actually, yeah, regularly. Okay, but yeah, it's just like a little thing to like reassure you that we are obviously all human actually. So I got 10 out of 11 on that. Okay, so 10 11ths. Okay, so you can work out my percentage if you want, if you're interested. Okay, so I've got 10 11ths. Okay. If you're interested, yeah, so you'd obviously take the fraction out and obviously times it by 100 here if you want to convert it into a percentage here. Sorry, I'm doing like a percentage question. But yeah, fraction to a percentage here, you obviously times the fraction by 100. So you'll get 1,000 11ths, which then you can just do like a bus stop method to obviously work it out.